This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, or earthquake, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Kansas City's home for this summer's hottest new country and retro favorites from the past 3 decades. Thanks for spelling country, KFKF.